vlogged in the longest time. Welcome to the vlog. Today was a good day. I am actually preparing for an event tomorrow. I have my first speaking gig tomorrow. I have been invited to a book launch. So yeah, that's happening tomorrow. I went out today to look for shoes. I actually did get the shoes. I'll show them to you guys in a little bit. And I got a few other things that I'll just need to prep for tomorrow. But for now, what I need to do is I need to wash my hair. I need to wash my wig. And yeah, then we'll see what else needs to be done. So yeah, I've never actually washed my wig before. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but I mean, I washed my hair before, like when I had my extensions in, so like I figured it's kind of pretty much the same thing, right? It's pretty much the same concept, just that it's a wig. Because yeah, I didn't have time to go and get it washed at the salon, so I'm gonna do it myself, and then we'll see how that goes. The wig is washed. There it is. I'm just gonna hang it here and let it dry. I put a bucket there so that it doesn't drip onto the floor, but yeah, that's pretty much the finished product. I hope that it will, well, not finished product because it still needs to yeah, we'll see how it goes, but I think it will be fine. It'll be alright. But yeah, that's the wig. That's the girl. Oh, I need to go and actually need to start thinking about what I'm gonna say tomorrow, what I'm gonna talk about. And I'm a little bit nervous. I don't wanna lie. I'm pretty nervous, but I'm sure it'll work out. And yeah, so I should probably do that. I know I have to wash my hair, but I'm so tired. I'm actually really tired. I'm too tired to wash my hair. So maybe I'll wash it in the morning. Yeah. I think I'll just wake up early tomorrow. Just wash it in the morning. And then we'll see what to do with it. These are the shoes. They are my not first pair of heels, but yeah, I wanted to get heels because yeah, I just wanted to be like extra like that. So yeah, these are the shoes that oh, that's better. I spent $230, but well, $229.99. Got them at Mr. Price. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty simple shoes. Not simple, but you know, you get what I mean. And then other things that I bought. So guys, I want to wear lashes. I want to try to wear lashes. That's how extra I want to be. So I got these lashes from Clicks, just the natural looking lashes. I've never worn lashes before, so this is gonna be fun. And then I bought wait, snap. What's going on here? Okay, my dad is calling. Hello? Era. Sorry about that. So I was showing you my stuff, right? So I bought this watch as well. It comes with the cute little chain, necklace, and earrings. And I got this for $149.99. If it will focus, no it won't, that's fine. It's okay. So there's that. And then I also got an eyeshadow palette from Essence. This is the Hello New York eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors. And that's me. So these are the colors. This is the palette. I hope that the colors don't actually show very clearly. But like they're just blues, and I really love this plum type purple and this blue shimmery one. So I'm excited to play around with this. This was, I want to say it was 150 as well. Yeah, I bought it at Clicks, and yeah, that is pretty much everything that I bought. Let me just end the vlog here. I didn't really want it to be too long. I just wanted to, you know, check in, do a little bit of vlogging today, because I may vlog tomorrow, and I didn't want it to like seem very weird and just out of the blue. So if I don't put both these vlogs together, the next vlog will be the day. I'm excited. I feel very blessed, and you know, I'm just grateful for this opportunity. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the vlog, if you enjoyed you know, seeing these little tidbits that I got, I guess, or whatever, just if you enjoy watching me every now and then, please do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new videos, and comment below if you feel, you know, you want to just share something with me. That would be really great. I'd love to connect with you guys. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, you know, everything, and share the video, share the channel with your friends and family, get them to subscribe as well. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for tonight. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
You know, in life, there are moments of grief and there are moments of happiness, isn't it? And I'm sure you'll agree with me that today we are here to give support to the young lady, the author, Madam Rowin Koloi, who has authored her book. You know, writing a book, for those of us who have got the experience of writing books, it is not an easy thing. one has to sit down, reflect, gather his or her thoughts to ensure that the thoughts are consistent with the theme of the book. Because you don't just wake up and say, I'm going to write a book. There must be something that has persuaded you to sit down and say, I'm going to write a book. Because it is not an easy task, but it is not an impossible task, as we can see with the case of Rowena. And as the tagline says here, disability is not inability, isn't it? So this is a testimony to show that if you are committed to doing something, you can always deliver it.
So please, I refuse to continue before we offer a round of applause, most importantly to a good Lord. I believe that this project is honestly a product of the good Lord's mercy, the good Lord's grace, the good Lord's everything, because those were the birthing pains. This is not just a book, it's a baby. And whatever those challenges were, they were not challenges, they were birthing pains. With every birth comes pains. Regardless of how small or major, the pains are still worthy of an applause. Leila, if you don't cry, I'm not leaving this podium, child. I met Rowena in March. I met her in March. She came to me, she said, Puto, I have a story to tell, which was evident because of her eye, right? But Niki Ponela, a very able child. Writing is something that requires but I believe even if you were to give her electricity and say do, she'll do. Even if you were to give her this and say do, she'll do. Simply because and then she said, I'm willing to learn. And indeed she was willing to learn. There were times where we went days and days and days discussing buga, and then when we finally found results, we came over hurdles, but not once did she break. She did not break. If it was anybody else, they would have said, you know what, I'm done. But she was indeed ready to give up, and that's why I believe that this is an anointed book. Because you might see her as little as she is, but she's very fierce. That's the one thing that you should know about her. She's very fierce, she's very strong, she's very determined, and if she tells you that I want to do this, she really means it.
I'm a little anxious. That's normal because I wrote a book. Not just a book, but a book that is going to change somebody's life. A book that intends in changing the perspective that our society already have about disability. A book that is going to give hope to my friends with disabilities. So it makes sense. But I am Rowena Koloi, the author of this beautiful baby that you see here. Allow me to thank Baisahu University for hosting us. Thank you so much, Mama Panajote and your team. Throughout my stay here in this university, you have supported me to the best of your abilities. So I am forever grateful. Just like Tuto said, I don't believe what I'm seeing here. I don't believe what I'm seeing in this hall. But I am standing here filled with so much joy in my heart because you all came here to support me in this emotional moment. Your support is just amazing. Mom, I love you. Not because these people are here, not because we are gathered here today, but because of who you are in my life. Raising me needed so much strength, but not in any day have you made me feel like I was a burden or I was crippled. Okay, I'm not going to cry. I remember in one particular year, my eye was pushing out. Nobody knew what was wrong with me. My eye started changing colors. I was told the only option left was to have it removed. I felt unpretty. I was a little insecure about how I looked, but she still told me that I was beautiful. I was still a pretty little angel. And I still remember the nights that you would type my assignment because I couldn't use the computer. But I submitted on time because of her. It takes a very strong woman to raise a child with disabilities. Not everybody can do that, so I don't know, you need so much strength to raise a child like me because there are days when I feel like I'm losing it all. There are days when I just can't keep it together. But when you have a mom like her, everything becomes so easy and you get up every morning with so much positivity. Nkuku, ke lebogela khudiso o impileng. I look at myself on the mirror every morning with so much joy in my heart because I'm so much in love with the young woman that I'm becoming. I'm proud of myself. Yeah. I am so proud of myself, but I don't want to take all the credit because it's because of the foundation that she laid for me. This book that you see here, it's basically about how I was able to combine strength, power, and courage to get me from where I was to where I am today. From the little visually impaired one-eyed girl to a valuable member to our society who was able to take her life and put it all in a book to try and motivate other people, to try and inspire other people, to give hope to those with disabilities, to encourage them to wake up every morning with the mindset to live beyond their disabilities. To wake up every morning with the mindset to live beyond the limitations and delimitations that they have put upon themselves. Because I always tell people that ability has so much more to offer than your disabilities. And I'll say this again. Mo Botswana, we don't have disabled people. We don't have disabled people. We are not disabled. There's a difference between a disabled person and a person with disabilities. It's a person before disability, because you have to recognize me before you can look into my disability. You cannot say, I'm a disabled person. No, I'm a person before disabilities. When you start talking, when you talk about me, you don't use words such as vision impairment. You don't use words such as disabilities. When you start talking about strength, now, come on. Yes. When you talk about real estate, yes, that's me. When you talk about ability, that is me. When you talk about courage, yes. Now, let me talk to my beautiful friends here, my VIPs, my friends who were made special in their own different way by God. You are not disabled. You are a person with disabilities. You are not a disabled person. Your disability does not make you less human. You are a well intact human being who just happen to have challenges. I always tell people that I am special. I was specially selected by God. That is why I only have one eye when all of you here have two eyes. That is what differentiates me from all of you. And I was able to use this one eye to come up with this.
Yes, girl!
Yes. Ke badile ka litho le lo one. We share hela ya. Ne ke re ke litsis. Okay, basically, Tota Hela, this book, it's a book, it's a beautiful book. Not just because it was written by me. House and away, but like, if it doesn't change your life, give it back, I'll give you back your money. I don't want to tell you my story because it's in a book. I want you to get the book and read it. So, nope, I'm not going to do that. 180 gets you a copy. You get to read about my life story. You get to learn about character corners. You get to learn more about disabilities. You get to learn more about strength, which I want to pass on to my readers. I want my readers to have the same amount of strength that I have, because I believe that God gives us a tremendous amount of strength to go through whatever that we go through. I love the story in the Bible where the disciples asked the Lord about the blind man. They said, Lord, between this blind man and his parents, who sinned for this man to be blind? The Lord answered, neither the man or his parents have sinned, but it was because he is blind, so that God can be glorified through this man. Yes, and I am standing here as a testimony of the works of God.
I just wanted to show you guys my look because I didn't get to show it to you guys. So yeah, this was my look. I don't know if you guys can see. I just wore white. I'm trying to put it this way. Oh, my bed is a mess, you guys. But it's alright. I left here in like a rush. So yeah, white tee. Wow, it's actually quite transparent. But that's just my tank top, so it's fine. Black blazer, jeans, and shoes. These little babies. And that was my look, basically. Anyway, I'm really tired. I will talk to you guys about the event tomorrow, maybe, when I'm like a lot less tired. But I'm really exhausted. I just want to get out of this, take off this makeup, take off this hair, get into some comfy clothes, and call it a night. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, I'm so uncomfortable. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know your thoughts. Had a good day. But yeah, this is it, and I'll see you in, oh my gosh guys, I'm so uncomfortable. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.